another example, okay, by using Bootstrap CSS, like all the remaining HTML, okay, like only JavaScript, we don't know that. Only JavaScript is the only one thing we don't know that, okay. Except that all the remaining things already we are very familiar with that. Just 1 minute. Yeah, sir, what that application is here, just have a look once. Is there any Durga gambling like no? Let me go for the project folder, D drive, Durga dating app. Now select a folder like this. Yeah, this is the dating.html. Okay, how it looks like, sir? Let me show this one. Yeah, wonderful. Wonderful. Are you getting right? Okay, this is the dating. Yeah, what we have. Next up, Durga dating app only for senior citizens and kids. Get started. Durga dating app about us services. Sign up, login. Sir, you know what is this one? You know what is this one? This one itself is what? Navbar. Are you getting Navbar? And this is the image, background image. How beautifully I set. Have you observed, right? Navbar. And background image. Next and after that, here get started. A button, sir. Button. Get started. Get started. Okay, like next home, about us, services, sign up, login. Everything is there like that. Next, I have one more. If I can take like this, have you observed? Have you, if you are saying, have you observed responsiveness? No white space, no white space. My data is adjusted. Then navbar will become hamburger. Like you can able to see everything. Is it responsiveness is also there? Happily in the mobile also, it is going to display. Are you seeing, right? Yes, image is also always at the center only, always at center position only. Now you can able to see. Image is also always at the center. Now, what responsiveness also by default there for this example. Are you getting this example? I want to develop. Can I go for that? Can I go for this? Okay, so that you people can get all from the scratch, from very basics. I want to develop so that you may give it. Now there are only two files are required. File number 1. Okay, new file. What I'm taking, sir? Here dating 8 a.m. dating 8 a.m. .html, like this I'm taking. Okay, don't feel dating 8 a.m. means at 8 a.m. the people are going to dating. Okay, file dating 8 a.m. .css file. Okay, well, that's all. These are the two files what we have. These are the two files what we have, sir. First thing, let me generate, sir, this basic template, which is also known as boilerplate code. Are you getting that? This is a repeated code. Boilerplate code. Boilerplate code means it's a very common real-time word. Let me generate boilerplate code. Is nothing but repeated code. Whatever it is a commonly required code is called boilerplate code. Okay. Now I'm taking title. If you want, you can give the title. Durga dating application. Durga dating application. Like this I'm taking, sir. Durga dating application like that. Next, what about my requirement? CSS file. Let me link, sir. Link CSS file. Okay, link, sir. What is the CSS file? Dating 8 a.m. Dating 8 a.m. .css. Yeah, wonderful. Just I linked only CSS file. I linked only CSS file. Next, do you know, sir? You require, I hope you people may be aware, you require compulsory Bootstrap, because navbar I'm using. I don't want to create navbar on my own. navbar I'm taking. I don't want to create navbar on my own. Then automatically Bootstrap must be required. But a hamburger is also there. To work with Bootstrap hamburger, compulsory Bootstrap JavaScript is required. To work with Bootstrap JavaScript, jQuery is also must be required. Oh, what I want to take? Bootstrap CDN, Bootstrap CDN, jQuery CDN. Okay. Next, Bootstrap JavaScript CDN. Okay, all these things can you please connect so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Okay, sir, first thing Bootstrap CDN. I forgot the website, sir. What is the website name? What is the website name? Getbootstrap.com. Next, let me go for the most okay components. No, not components here. First thing what I have to take is download. Okay, download. Now here, do you know, this is the Bootstrap. This is the Bootstrap file. Bootstrap file. Where I have to specify Bootstrap links in the head part. Bootstrap link completed. What is the next one, sir? JavaScript must be required. Here only JavaScript is also there. Bootstrap JavaScript is also there. Sir, where we have to take Bootstrap JavaScript? Bootstrap JavaScript, where I have to take, sir? Okay, inside body, anywhere, highly recommended, better to go last place. Regarding better to go last place, right? Next, sir, jQuery CDN also must be required. Let me open Google. Okay, jQuery CDN, code.jquery.com. Observe that. Okay, uncompressed. This is the jQuery CDN. Okay, now, sir, before JavaScript Bootstrap, like this. Yeah, can you please confirm, friends? Any doubt up to this? What activities I did? What activities I did? I added Bootstrap CDN. I added Bootstrap JavaScript CDN. I added jQuery CDN. These are the three things we used, sir. Abbas, why jQuery CDN I added? Without jQuery CDN, without jQuery, Bootstrap JavaScript won't work. Regarding internally, Bootstrap JavaScript is based on the jQuery. That's why make it available jQuery and JavaScript. But anyway, don't worry. We are not yet discussing about jQuery and JavaScript. Soon we are going to discuss in detail at the separate topics, what it is doing and so on. We will discuss. But as of now, just be aware. Navbar hamburger, if it is required to work. Navbar hamburger, if it is required to work, compulsory Bootstrap JavaScript must be required. But Bootstrap JavaScript to work, compulsory jQuery must be required. That's why I added all the things. Now, connecting different technologies, make it available different technologies in our HTML is very clear. Any doubt? Please confirm. Are you in the position to understand up to this, right? Okay. Now, what is the next thing what I have to take care? Okay, what I require to take care. So now, yes, anyone, can you please tell what the next we will take care? Can I go to the navbar? Anyway, let me keep at the last option. Don't worry. First, let me concentrate on this image. Let me concentrate on this image under this data. Sir, what is the data we have? Durga dating app is the data. Here, this is the data we have. Next, and after that, only for senior citizens, it's also data like this, right? What I want to take here is, I'm taking this total thing. I'm taking this total thing. Yes, do you know, right? This total thing, yes, one grid. Observe that a bit very carefully, sir. I'm taking this total thing, yes, the grid like this, right? What I will do is, what I will do here is it's a grid, sir. I'm taking something like a grid. This total and the HR tag also. This total is one grid. Assume this is one grid, sir. Okay. What I will take here is just have a look once, sir. Not required to keep much explanation. Just observe carefully, sir. Observe a bit very carefully. Sir, I'm taking div class container, bootstrap container. Next, div class row. If I can take row, what's the meaning of that? Grid is next. I'm taking div. Just observe that. Call lg 12. Call lg 12 means so total large screen, my element can occupy 12 columns width. Okay, like this I'm taking. Now h1 tag I want to take Durga dating app. This is my h1 tag. Durga dating app h1 tag. h1 tag. Next h3 tag I'm taking, sir, only for senior citizens and kids, just for fun. Okay, like this I'm taking. Next one HR tag is also there. One HR tag is also there, sir. What that HR tag? Remember what that HR means? One horizontal line. One horizontal line itself is nothing but a HR tag. That's all. This is about my requirement, right? Sir, one container row within that. Okay, this is one column. Like in that column, this total data by default will be there. Now have a look once, very carefully, sir. Have a look once. Here, how it looks like as of now. Can you please observe? Durga dating app only for senior citizens and just for kids, and then okay, like this. Now what is about my requirement is just listen carefully. I want to add one button also. Button also, right? So this button, what I'm trying to take, what I'm trying to take this button. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. One minute. Here just a button is also there, right? Yes. What I'm trying to take, how I can able to take the button is it required here only, right? Let me add the button tag also inside the div. Button. Next here I'm taking get started. Like here I'm taking class. Do you know? Here just I'm taking class 1 minute. Class btn default, btn default, btn lg. Just I'm taking just these button related classes. 1 minute, sir. How it looks like? Wow, sir. Okay, well, sir, Durga, this is the data whatever I have. This is the button what we are going to get. Now my requirement is 1 minute, sir. Just wait for a minute. Yes, yes. Ready, Srinivas? What you are? Can you please spell out? Sir, these are things you want to insert Jumbotron? Srinivas, you required insert Jumbotron? Yeah, not required, not required. Just we will do that. Don't worry about that. Sir, what I'm trying to take here is just to take a bit very, very special care, sir. What my requirement is, observe carefully, sir. Observe a bit carefully. This total thing I want to take as content. Now observe carefully about this one. Sir, this total I want to take as a content. I will do div class is equal to content. Div class is equal to content. Okay. Now I'm taking end of the div tag. Div class is equal to content. Like this I'm taking, sir. Just observe carefully. Okay. Now div class is equal to content. Content like I'm taking. Next up for the content in the CSS file, let me take. Sir, this is my own class. Okay. What I want to do is just hash a symbol. Okay. Content. Text align center. Okay. Text align center. I'm taking. Yeah, good. Text align center I'm getting because it's the class, right? Dot symbol. Next, after that, okay, here directly at the top it is there. Have you observed, right? Directly at the top it is there. Text align in the center. Directly at the top it is there. That's why what I want, padding top, padding top, padding top. Just I'm taking some 25%. Yeah. Wow. Any doubt? Any doubt? Can you please observe that? Sir, padding top means this one only. This one itself is nothing but padding top. Okay? Like this is. Now, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Can you please observe that? It's always in the middle. It's always, yes. Can we align for container class also? Also, yes. Okay, we can do a bus. Container align is equal to center. Like you can able to do that. No problem. Itself is acceptable. Okay. Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt after this? Are you in a position, sir? Just what I did. Just let me repeat because a long days before I developed this application. That's why just I'm taking a bit more time. Sir, this total is I'm taking inside a grid, one h1 tag, one h3 tag, and then one hr tag, followed by button I'm trying to take. Okay, followed by button I'm trying to take. That's all. Sir, this is next. What I'm trying to take for this total content, like total content, like sir, I took text align in the center, padding top is the 25%. Like this I took, sir. Okay, well, button is ready. Next and after that, my content is ready, sir. Next, what I have to take is just let me add the nav bar. Let me add the nav bar at the top, sir. Let me add the nav bar at the top, sir. Okay. If I want to add the nav bar at the top, just how you can able to do that? Components, nav bar, just copy paste. Yes. Okay. Now here I'm taking body, yes, body, navbar. This is the navbar I have. Navbar class container, like this I'm taking, don't worry, class container. Next, do you know what I require to take, sir? This is the navbar what I took. Here brand where is the brand? Are you seeing anywhere? Navbar brand, yes, here just I'm taking Durga dating app, like this I'm taking. Can you please observe that brand came correct? Durga dating app. Next, link. Okay, here link. You can change the links, no problem at all. So this is the first link, home link. Next one, after that, second link, about us. Third link, services. Like you can take any link, sir, no problem at all. Services, like you can take any. Here just observe the home, about us, services, like. Next, drop down is available, sir. This drop down, let me remove that. That's all. Next, and after that, form, search button, I don't want. Then automatically, can you please observe that only these three things are available. Next, a link under drop down. Sir, what I want to take here is sign up under login. Sign up under login I took, sir. Sign up under login. On the right hand side, just observe on the right hand side, here sign up. This sign up must be required. Sign up I'm taking, and then login, another link I'm taking, another link, login link I'm taking at the right hand side. Next, this drop down is not required. This drop down is not required. That's why let me remove that. That's all, friends. Now, okay, that's all. So now it is very clear for you people. It's very clear for you people. If I can take, yes, perfectly it's working. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Yes, friends, can you please confirm? Any doubt? Okay. Now, can I go to the next level? Can I go to the next level? I want to go for. Only the next level is the remaining thing when compared with this small icons we may add. But here the thing is we have to add background image. Once we are having background image, then the remaining things anyway, small add-ons, we will do that. Okay. Yes, we will go for that background image. Yeah, sir, CDN means online, right? Correct. Surya Prakash. Yeah. Now, what is the background images, right? So make sure beautiful images by default available somewhere, sir. What that unsplash.com. Are you getting unsplash.com like this? We are going to take. Yes, what that is unsplash.com. Okay, here dating images. Dating images, like you can take. Is there any where? Wow. Okay, dating images. Sir, which images you require? Okay, like is this colorful, like let me copy. Let me copy link address. Okay. Now what I'm taking, this one I want to use. Anything you can use, man, don't worry. This is the unsplash.com. Beautiful images by default will be there. Even paid version is also available there. Okay. Now sir, related to the background, everything related to the background, everything what I want to do here is, sir, here I'm taking body. For total body must be required or not? Can you please observe total body image background image I want to take. Sir, background URL, are you getting right? Background URL is just let me copy paste that. URL is let me copy paste. Let me copy paste this one. Okay, is it going to set or not? Let me cross check. No, here URL. No, where am I doing any mistake? Can you please cross check? Here double quotes is not required. Double quotes is not required. 1 minute. Just copy image address I require to take. This file maybe we are taking. Copy image address like this I have to take. Copy image address I require to take. Okay, now let me take this one. Let me cross check. Yeah, wonderful. Any doubt? What is the mistake I did is, earlier I copy pasted just only link, but now my requirement is, image address I copy pasted URL. Okay, like image address. Okay, perfectly it's working. Now if you observe, there is small problem is there in this. What is the problem is? Yes, anyone, can you please tell? Same image repeating multiple times. Correct or not? Same image repeating multiple times. Correct, right? So for that, what we require to take, some background repeat, don't repeat. Somewhere we covered already in the last sessions. Okay, background repeat, no repeat. Then can you please observe, suddenly the thing is going to be changed. Okay, background no repeat is nothing but only this. So what my requirement is, I want to cover total page. Okay, then background size like this. Background size cover. Okay, like now have a look once. Wow, background size covered like this, right? Don't worry about that. Background size is already covered. Okay, now my point is, it is not a center. This couple is at the bottom. You may not see that much clearly. Let me consider background position center like this. I'm taking background position center. Is there any improvement? Like, yeah, good. Couple came at the ear line. Any doubt? Sir, Amani, what are various properties we did? Background URL, background repeat, background size, background position, like we did, sir. Okay, like now up to this, don't worry about that. But here one small twist is there. That twist I will take care. What is that twist here? Is here, observe a bit very carefully about this one. Yeah, are you seeing any problem? Yes, are you seeing any problem? Yes, man. Are you seeing any problem here? Because whenever we set the image, text color anyway I will change it. Don't worry. Whenever we set the image, now here vacant space is coming or not? Again, responsiveness missing. Image is not setting completely. Responsiveness is by default missing. Here vacant space is coming. Are getting some empty blank space is coming. Now what I want to take is, for this also there is one solution is there. Let me take HTML tag. Okay, complete height 100% height I want, 100% height I want, then automatically, here if you observe that, 100% height if you want, then have a look once. Can you please cross check? Is automatically space by default gone or not? Please respond, man. Space by default gone or not? Yes. Okay. That's all. Okay. Like we are not front end developers, man. Thoda knowledge I am developing. Okay. So now it's a very clear for you people. Okay. Up to this, not required to keep any explanation, right? Next. Sir, here we have content. Content is there, sir. Regarding content is there. Okay. Like what this content, this is the content is there, sir. What I want to do is, let me do some manipulation for this. Okay, some manipulation. Like what I want to do is, sir, here for my text also, here have a look once. Here I'm taking, do you know where is the here like Durga dating app. Regarding Durga dating app, like this I have some data. Let me take so this h1 I'm taking some id is equal to sir just tc1, h3 for h3 id is equal to tc, like this I'm taking, sir. id is equal to tc, like I'm taking, because the reason I want to do a small thing, just observe that for tc1 have a look once, sir. As tc1 text content 1, for the tc1 what I'm trying to take here is very simple, sir. Color which color will be very bright on this? White color. Can you please confirm? White color, is it okay? Yes, white. Okay, white color. Next and after that, font. Do you know this font weight? Weight is nothing but a bit thickness. 700 or 800 you can take, or 900 you can take, no problem at all. 900 is the max. Font size. Do you know font size? 5 em I'm taking. 5 em means 5 times bigger than normal text. Yeah, good, man. Durga dating app, then automatically Durga dating app, so 5 times it's going to come. Regarding if you want, you can able to change this font size also. Font what we call from Google font, like you can able to use. Don't worry about that. So 900 is the too much, it seems. Yes. Okay. Well, next, so for TC also, for the TC normal, I don't want that much font and so on. What I want to take TC. TC means H3 text. Normal color is the white I'm taking, or yellow color. Let me take, sir. Yeah. Okay. Good. Durga dating app only for senior citizens and kids, just for fun. Okay. Like I'm taking this one. So next, 25% means, do you know, padding top a bit more. Let me move, or otherwise no problem at all, it's acceptable. Okay. Any doubt, friends? Up to this, are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Like next, there are some small things we have to do. HR, this HR tag. Regarding that, HR tag seems to be too lengthy, which exceeds our what we call, do you know, which exceeds our data. Okay, what I want to take for HR also, if you want, I can able to do some styling. Okay, HR tag. Okay, let me set width 500, width some 500 pixel, 500 pixel, like this. Let me automatically, yes, 500 is not enough, it seems. 500 is not enough, it seems. Let me take some 600 pixels. Okay, well, 600 pixels. Next, some border. If you want, you can give some border. Okay, border top, top, or border is for this border. What I want to take, what we call, which border is good? Red border, 2 pixel red, 2 pixel red, solid border. Now you may not see much. Are you getting? You may not see much. Border top. It's not reflecting. Border solid red. No, otherwise, Lavanya, no problem at all. In any order you can take it. Okay, it's not reflecting. Next up for you, I will tell. There is another thing is there, sir. There is another. Okay, if you want, whether it's going to be reflected or not, I'm not sure. Better to habituate this type of coding also. HR styling. HR styling like this. HR styling like simple HR's CSS tricks. Regarding like you can able to take like this. Sir, this style I want. This style I want. This is the style. What you can take? What you can take here? Just you are not required to take all width and then height. You can take 12 pixel. Next 0 like this RGBA. Okay. Just copy pasted. What will happen? Just observe that. No reflection. It is not considering. One extra is coming. Maybe. No. Actually, it should reflect. HR. What I will take. Let me take for HR some ID. Sometimes you know HR. Where is that HR? ID is equal to HR1, then it may be reflect. Yes, HR1. Now it is something like it's a reflecting. Something like it's a reflecting. Good. Okay, what I will take is, instead of taking all this nonsense, RGBA insert some 255 0 0. Well, yeah, excellent. For each one, border came. Are you getting that? Border came. Now, once it is going to be reflected, then you can able to take top. Next, this much is not required. Just 4 pixel is more enough. Yeah. Now, instead of red, what I will take is yellow border. For effect, yeah. Are you getting? Or otherwise, you can take white also. Can you please confirm? Are you able to understand, right? Yes, friends. Okay. Yes, it's a reflected. But anyway, default h1 tag element level not reflected. That's why it took ID, and then based on the ID, sir, I did. Next, if you want, you can able to do. You can able to do something like, sir, for this. Okay. You can able to what we call navbar, glyph icons and so on. You can able to add, right? You can able to add glyph icons and so on. Any explanation is required about that glyph icons? Okay, if you want, I will add at least one thing. I will add. Which one you want? Here, assume that for the button, I want this icon. There are two icons I covered. What we call Google font awesome, dating icons. Now date icons came. Okay, instead of date icons, date. So what I want to do is font awesome 5. Icons are easy. Dating love icons. Yeah, good man. There are several icons are there. Now what I want to take is this heart symbol I want to take. Good. What I have to add, this I require to add. Have you remembered, right? This is the I. But anyway, for this, how to use this CDN must be required. Correct. First, let me copy CDN link in our head part, CDN link, and then this icon where I require to add button. Where is the button? Here button. The button like a text I'm taking like this. Yeah. Yes. Are you seeing, right? Friends, are you able to see? Okay, that's all. This is what you people should aware of. You can able to hear. Next, this navbar background colors we can able to change. I hope you may aware. Navbar background colors we can able to change. Assume that, sir, it is a yellow color. I want to give. Sir, what is the way? Anyone can you please guide, sir? I forgot. Navbar. I want navbar. Okay. Background. Here this navbar. Background. Not here. What we call color. Background is yellow color. I want. Yellow color. I want. Regarding that background, sorry. Background yellow color I want. Now observe that. But anyway, let me show this navbar. Where is that navbar? Now I am setting my own. That's why default you should not use. Next 1 minute. Dot navbar, correct? Yes, yellow color background came. Next, and after that, this text color I want the white color text or red color. Anyone you can able to use, no problem at all. Dot navbar, okay, a all anchor tags present inside color is white I'm taking. Assume that color is the white I'm taking. Then not the white is not that much visible. Color is blue I'm taking. Yeah, good man. A colorful thing is ready. At last final, just CSS, Bootstrap, and then CSS, Bootstrap, and then HTML. These three things, just everything is ready. If I click these things, then the corresponding internal pages, if you can able to implement, then backend code also, if you can able to write a beautiful application is ready. If you are going to keep some 3 or 4 applications like that, including front end and back end, then you will become best web developer. Okay, you can keep one board in front of your house saying here web applications will be developed. Are you getting? That's all. Are you facing anywhere difficulty to understand this one? Yes, friends. Step by step, I explain. Any difficulty to understand this? Okay. Just anyway, we are not front end developers. Just that knowledge, minimum knowledge we should have. Okay, like that. Maybe Pavan Sharma, maybe JavaScript coding may we require to do that. If you want to change background image every time with the next image, and so on, like yeah, Vijay. Yes. Oh, here nav bar. It is there, but the color is it is affected to the color. Regarding, we are not seeing that icon. That is the problem. What you can, are you seeing anywhere that? Yes. Are you? Where is that, sir? Toggle navigation. Class SR only. Class SR only. Toggle navigation icon bar. Okay. This is the icon bar. Let me take some color for this also. Icon bar, some white color or something like this. It's going to be reflected. This is the symbols. Drop down is there, but the problem is with the, let me take icon bar what we call color or something like, if it is a text color, background color. No, it is just only one line, right? Then how you can able to fill? Let me give border. At least is it going to work? 1 pixel solid red border like this. Are you seeing, man? Yes. Perfect. Vijay. Yeah. That's all. It's working, but anyway, that symbol. Okay, like. Yeah. That's all, friends. A beautiful application is ready for you. Even the biggest specialty of this application is responsiveness is also there. Only we require to add the links. Only we require to add the links and so on. Then automatically it will work. Yeah. Okay. That's all. Just this is just for your practice. Don't worry, sir. Once we know these type of front end knowledge, then with our Python and Django, okay, back and code also we are going to write very strongly, so that we can able to develop our applications very confidently, web applications, right? Okay, that's all. With this, Bootstrap completed, sir.